Hello traders, welcome to ChrisFX. Today I will take you through a strategy based on ICT kill zones, which is great for all of you who have daily jobs and you cannot be in front of your charts the whole time and monitor the 1 minute time frame. This strategy will take place on the 3 minute time frame, and it is for Forex. I'm pretty sure it also works on indices. It has very clear rules, and I'm gonna start with the rules right now actually. So what are the rules for this strategy? First of all, go on the bottom right of your screen where you can see the time zone right here on your TradingView platform and choose UTC -4 New York time. The only reason why we are doing that is for all of us to be coordinated in the same time zone, so we eliminate any potential confusion. Secondly, go to the Indicators tab and find this indicator Sessions on Chart by Eurox AIF. Click on it and then go on the indicator, click on the settings right here, and what I want from you is to copy those exact settings as I have them right here. In other words, we will be monitoring price action from 12 AM until 8:30 AM. Then we will be waiting for a break either of the highest point or the lowest point of the session, as I have shown it in previous videos, and then we will be looking to trade in the opposite direction. There is one thing though. In this strategy, we will not be monitoring the 1 minute time frame, rather we will be going through the 3 minute time frame, and the rules that I'm gonna show you are a little bit different. So as I can see right here, in this example, we wouldn't have an opportunity, but I'm gonna go day by day and I'm gonna show you whether we would be having an opportunity or not. Now, as I said, there are some major differences between this strategy that I'm showing you right here and the other ones that I have shown on the 1 minute time frame. And what I'm gonna show you right here, nobody else has shown on YouTube. That's for sure. This is a strategy that you can use. You can get funded indeed. It is not an exaggeration. It is not a marketing trick, because you can trade it if you have a daily job. Let's go through price action in this area from 12 o'clock until 8:30 AM New York time. Where is the highest and where is my lowest point? I can see that the lowest point is this one right here and the highest point is this one right here. Now, we will be waiting for either the highest, as I said, or the lowest points to be broken first, and whichever one gets broken first, we will be looking to trade in the opposite direction. We see that the lowest point has been broken first. What we want to see? We want to see what I'm gonna tell you now. From 8:30 until 11, we want to see a change of character. A change of character would happen exactly right here. This we need to see between 8:30 and 11. And it doesn't matter if we enter the trade later on. This is way different than the thing that I have taught previously on the 1 minute time frame, where you should also take the trade between 8:30 and 11. Now all you need to see is the change of character between those times, and then you are more than free to take the trade after these times, and I'm gonna show you how. This is the new high right here. Let's see if we have another high being formed. And here we are, we have our change of character, and we have it with a body. Now, one way to enter, as we said, is to enter instantly. But when your stop loss is above 16 pips, I want you to place a pending order at 16 pips. If this would have been 12 pips, you would take it with a market execution if a body of a candlestick breaks above, and if it is below 16 pips, let's say that this one would have been, this break of a body would have been exactly right here. So let's say, or a little bit lower, let's say something like that. Let's say that this is exactly 16 pips. You can take it with a market execution. When there is more than 16 pips, I want you to place a pending order at 16 pips. So when you change character in the zone, the pink zone, from 8:30 until 11, then it is fine if your trade gets activated way later on. And this is why this strategy is different than the one that people are showing and than the one that I have shown you previously on the 1 minute time frame. So here we would be taking the pending order exactly right here at 16 pips, as you can see. So I would place my pending order exactly right here, stop loss right below the area. Regarding take profits, you would go for a fixed 2-to-1 reward to risk. So a 2-to-1 fixed reward to risk, and we will check out if we will get activated in the trade. Not yet. There you go. We are activated into the trade right here. As I said, it is totally fine if you get activated in the trade later on. And you might say, yes, you could have said, Chris, that we can take the trade from the fair value gap. But no, this strategy is totally different. If a stop loss is below 16 pips, then you take it with a market execution when a body of a candlestick breaks. When a body of a candlestick breaks and the stop loss would be larger than 16 pips, then you take the maximum of 16 pips with a pending order. Hopefully it makes sense. Here we would have hit the 2-to-1 very easily. Probably it would have gone even further. Let's check it out. Yep, it would have gone way further actually. Way more than 3-to-1. But anyways, this is the first trade. I will move on to the next day. I will not skip any days so that you will see that I'm not cherry picking the examples. So hopefully you don't have anything negative to say after I will have finished with this strategy, because as I said and as I'm showing, I'm taking every single day from the present to the past. So again, within this area from 12 AM until 8:30 AM, I identify the highest and the lowest point, and I am on the 3-minute time frame, waiting for the first one to get broken. And in this occasion, we broke above the highest point. So what I want to see in this pink area from 8:30 until 11 o'clock, I want to see the change of character taking place there. The trade can get activated later on. It is absolutely fine. Now, we broke above this area, so the change of character, if it happens, it will happen where, let me go one candlestick further, I will tell you why. It would be this candlestick right here where the change of character would take place. So let's check it out. It is still this candlestick, the candlestick of the potential change of character. Nothing has changed. So here we did change character and we closed with a body below the lowest point within the time frame between 8:30 and 11 AM. Let's check out if we would take the trade here. How many pips is that? This is well within the 16 pips. So in this occasion, you can take it as it is with a market execution, and you will go for a 2-to-1 reward to risk one more time. So there we go. Here you would be taking it with a market execution. We are not even sure if the profit is getting hit because, as I said, I'm taking every single day. Here, of course, when you are so close, you can place your stop loss at break even. Okay, so we can assume that the stop loss is now at break even. Let's check it out though. I think we hit our profit. No, we didn't actually. This is absolutely crazy. And either you would have closed some profits right here or you would be stopped at break even. Anyways, it is not a losing trade. So let's move on to the next example, the absolute next day. For those of you who are saying that you have jobs and you cannot trade because of the fact that you have daily jobs, I understand that. The lowest point, I developed this strategy because of that. It's absolutely for free. You don't need to purchase any mentoring or any other service from me, even though of course it would be absolutely helpful. This is where I differ from other YouTubers. They will tell you that if you don't purchase my thing, then you will not be profitable. Well, I'm not a clown, and I'm telling you that of course you can be profitable without purchasing anything from me, and you are well aware of that. You can just accelerate some things and I can teach you some different things as well, but you can absolutely make it on your own as well. Let's check this out now. We're waiting for the highest or the lowest point to be broken, and the highest point is being broken exactly right here. So we will be looking for a change of character in the opposite direction, and we will be checking out if we can take a trade. Let's check this out. Okay, still the point of change of character is right here. This is something that I don't like necessarily. Let's see if we passed above this area. We didn't. So I think this would have been a no trade day. Why? Because we did not change character within the pink zone. That's why I'm taking lots of examples so that you will see how I'm trading this strategy. Let's go to the exact previous day. The lowest point is down here. The highest point is up here. Waiting for one of those to be broken within this pink zone. And it is broken, and we want to see also the change of character. Now on the 3-minute time frame within this pink zone, we have it, but we don't have it with a body, so we are waiting for a body. Yes, this is a body closing below. Let's see if we would be taking the trade here. How many pips would it be? As an example, it would have been 33 pips. What did we say in this occasion? We take it at 16 pips exactly. So the trade would have been here, and then 1 to 2 reward to risk would have been here. And this is something that you can use on GBP USD, the thing with the 16 pips. I have developed it like that. Here we are not activated yet, but it fulfills the rules. You can get activated way later than this session, but you have to see the change of character within this session. Let's see. Okay, now if we enter the next day, we will deactivate the trade, of course. And I think we are almost entering the next day. Yes, now you can deactivate the trade. Let's say as a rule, if you enter 12 o'clock, then you can close the trade. So no trade in this day, but here I think we do have a trade. I'm doing every single day, as you can see. The highest point was exactly right here for this session, a little bit further actually. Okay, the highest point was here and the lowest point was down here. The highest point is broken, so we're waiting for a change of character towards the downside, which here would happen exactly right here with a body. Okay, with a body, and then we could be taking the trade again. Now, where is the proper place for a change of character? It is this one right here. This created the highest point, as you can see. Okay, and it is the lowest point. We closed with a body. I'm not quite sure if this example will work. 16.9. We can do it 16, as we said, with a pending order. It's very close actually, but we will do it right here with a pending order. So 1 to 2 reward to risk. We are into the trade and we are out of this trade. Well, this will happen as well. It is up to you if you want to enter a second time. Personally, I wouldn't enter a second time, but if you would want to enter a second time, let's measure this one. This is 25 pips. So you would do it 16, as we said. You would place the pending order right here after this candlestick, which changed character. You would place a pending order right here. This happened again within the pink zone, so you can re-enter if you want, but my personal rules, usually unless I am in a huge winning streak, I'm not gonna take 2 trades in a row. This looks like it would have worked though. Let's see. Yeah, eventually it would have worked, the second one. So you would have made this back plus and 1% or how much you are risking. So again, let's move on to the previous day of this one. I'm not skipping any day, guys. You can see that. Where is the highest point and where is the lowest point? The highest point is this one. The lowest point is this one. We are expecting one of those to be broken from 8:30 until 11 o'clock, and we want to see the change of character also happening from 8:30 until 11. Now the change of character would happen exactly right here, and we keep moving forward. And now the change of character would happen exactly right here. And there we go. We did change character indeed, but from here until here it is 29.9 pips. We will be taking it with a maximum of 16 pips in this occasion, with a pending order, a buy limit order, exactly right here. I don't know if we will get activated actually. Again, these are random examples. I'm placing the pending order here, and I'm going for a 1 to 2 reward to risk. Let's go to the 5 minutes so that we will be a little bit quicker. We are into the trade, as you can see. And as I said, you can let the trade play way more afterwards. This is why it is for those people who have daily jobs. There you go. You would have had some sweat here because price came back to retest this area, and then eventually you would have hit your take profit, and then the other day has already arrived. So from the examples that I have shown you until here, you can see that this strategy is quite significant. Okay, I'm not gonna go through all of the examples because I have to leave some room for you to do your back testing as well. But until here, I started from this day and I took every single day. As you saw, some days don't have a trade. Some of those you easily get your 2 to 1 reward to risk. And most importantly, this strategy I developed for those people who have daily jobs and cannot attend the charts the whole day. So please leave me a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more free educational content. And if you want to subscribe to my exceptional trading signal, where I'm taking my trades live and I'm calling them live twice per day, every single day on Nasdaq and SPX 500, I'm 1000% transparent and people can see my profit, loss and everything, then you can go ahead and become a member of the Trading Signals or buy any other service that you want. But of course, as I said, you do not need those services in order to be successful. You will just accelerate things. This is gonna do it for today, traders, and thank you all for watching. Until next time.